What's up, y'all? Welcome back. My name is Linnea, and I live in the suburbs, and I'm on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we make recipes, we do sourdough, we do lots of fun things. And today, I would say on this episode of Cooking with Me, we are making garlic scape pesto. It is that time of year where the garlic scapes come out, and I'm gonna keep this short. If you don't know what a garlic scape is, they grow on garlic. There are two types of garlic. There is soft neck, there is hard neck. Soft neck garlic does not grow a garlic scape. Hard neck garlic grows a scape. And basically, I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert, but it grows up like this, and this part right here is the flower. So I am assuming if I were to let this just turn into a flower and let it dry, maybe it would turn into garlic next year. I'm not sure, but most people cut these off in late May, early June, before garlic gets harvested, in an effort to force the last bit of energy down to the bulbs to make the bulbs slightly bigger, so there is not any energy by the plant being given to grow this. Now, a lot of people don't know what to do with these. They are super potent. They are very garlicky, almost oniony, if I had to say. And my favorite thing to do with it is make pesto. So that's what we're doing today. I said I was gonna keep this short. I didn't keep it short. So let's go make some pesto. All right, y'all. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our little food processor, because it's the only one I have, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of garlic scapes. They look like green beans. And we're gonna pulse them for 30 seconds-ish. I mean, maybe. Now, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of raw sunflower seeds. And we're going to pulse it again. Now, we're going to scrape down the sides again and add 1/2 cup of olive oil. This recipe is honestly like super simple. It's just that garlic scapes are not, I don't know if they're easy to find. I don't know if they sell them at farmers markets. They might. Like I said, I just grab them. Okay, now we are going to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, which I have here. And then we're going to add some basil in a little bit, and lemon juice, and call it good. All right, let's go pick some basil and add it in. Okay, so we need like a half cup. And I have lots of different kinds here, so we're just gonna take some. And then go inside and rinse it and call it good. Okay, I'm gonna add my basil, and then it does say the juice of 1 lemon, but my lemon is pretty big, so I'm just gonna do half of this lemon. And yeah, just gonna get all the seeds out. I could get a strainer out, but you know, I don't want to. I think I am gonna make a double batch of this because I have so many scapes. The next video I make might be like, instead of garlic powder, scape powder, or scape fried rice. I'm not really sure. I have so many. But I also have some friends that would probably love garlic scapes. So maybe there's that. Okay. I am going to taste it, add salt, and put it in some jars and call it good. Now, I will say a lot of reviews, like a lot of people say that scapes are super potent, which they are. So when you're doing pasta, just don't add a ton of pesto. It just needs a little salt, and then we'll call it good. My salt never comes out. All right, well. One more blend, taste, and then probably call it good. And then later tonight, I'll make some pasta and have Jonathan try it. Because, you know, that's what we do here. And in case you're curious, that's what it looks like. It almost tastes like guacamole. Yep, that's good. That's fantastic. So, I'll be right back. Alright, so, you know, I have an obsession with ball jars, and my mom, I feel like I'm just like talking. My mom had these jars sitting downstairs in her basement for like 2 years, and I kept seeing them and they were untouched, and I was like, I'm just gonna ask her if I can have them. Aren't these the cutest jars? They are half pint wide mouth jars. I've never seen them, but also I haven't like specifically looked for them, and I think they're adorable. So, you know, we're gonna put the pesto in them. I'm pretty sure I have far too much pesto for this jar, but maybe not. I'm definitely gonna give some pesto away. So, yeah. Oh, goodness. Alright, isn't that cute? I think it's really cute. So, I'm gonna go fill another one of these jars and probably make some more pesto. And yeah. Next time you see me, my hands will be dinner time when Jonathan eats some pesto. Hi, I'm back. I lied. I just wanted to share my obsession with ball jars because it is real. And I just wanted to say that one of my favorite things, I don't know why, is going down to my basement and looking through all the ball jars that I have to like store the pesto, because I'm gonna make another batch and I'm probably gonna give it to some people. And so I was looking at my jars to see what size would be the best, and I found these, which I know that this is the one I want to use. But also my favorite thing, I have no idea where I got this one. It is like different than the regular ball jars. I'm guessing maybe my mom found it. I don't know. A lot of times people will like give me their extra ball jars because they don't need them and they don't use them, and I just like accumulate them. But like this one's really cute. It doesn't have any measurements on it like this one. Like this one's clearly a new jar, newer. But like, where did I get this one? I don't know, but I love it. I will not be giving this one away. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you all my obsession with jars. Okay, bye. John's ready. You gonna eat the salad? Mm-hmm. I may have given you like too much pasta. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Calvin's actually eating.
What'd you give him?
Some just plain noodles with his food.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
It's good.
Very good. Very like light and refreshing.
Mm-hmm. Well, this year I actually put some in ball jars and I put it in the freezer so we can actually have it more than like once a year. Mm-hmm. I like it.
Yeah, the noodles are really good too.
Yeah, they're bucatini. Mm-hmm. I think that's how you say it. So anyways, John's going to get back to his motorcycle research, his motorcycle helmet research while he eats dinner. I'm going to rate this a 10 out of 10 because I grew it and then I made it. So it's a 10 out of 10 on my part. Mm-hmm. Anyways.
I agree.
You agree? Mm-hmm. Whoa! Anyways, you guys like the flowers from my bok choy plant? They look nice. Anyways, I don't know what my next video is going to be, but we will see you guys in the next one. Okay? Okay, bye! John's just shoving it in his face.